Lions don't only roar to threaten or warn, they also vocalize to reaffirm the unity of the pride. In this scene, the Xakanaxa pride reunite after a night spent apart. As the pride meet, they spend a great deal of energy physically greeting each other. There's no doubt of the affection being expressed here, and once the games begin, the entire family group is taken in by it. This behavior suggests a stable and well-fed pride that can afford the time and energy to engage in social bonding, and it's a reminder that there's a gentler side to this apex predator. The lionesses can also roar, but in this case, it's to consolidate the pride. The males respond, hidden in the long grass. This is team building in the wild, making for a good start to the day. Communication amongst the lions is a complex affair we don't fully understand, but it is clearly essential for the pride's well-being and continued progress.